Okay, good morning everyone. So we now have to continue our lesson that we have discussed last meeting. So before we proceed, I would like to remind everyone that you must be able to answer this activity before you are going to watch this video, because on this lesson we will be trying to identify and solve and not really solve, translate the following items in quiz number 5, that which are numbers 1 to 10. Okay? So, pag hindi nyo pa po ito nasasagutan, wag nyo po itong panoorin tong video na ito. Okay? So, sagutan nyo muna para ma-check nyo po yung inyong sariling sagot. Okay, let's proceed to our lesson this morning. So, today, we will be answering the quiz number 5, wherein we are going to translate these verbal phrases into mathematical phrases. Okay, let's begin with number 1. 2 points for the correct answer, 1 point for the incorrect one. 3 more than the number. Okay, the word used here is more than, and more than is plus, is for addition. So 3 plus x. But take note, since we are using the word more than, we are going to write it backwards. So the answer here would be like this. 3 more than x. Okay, x plus 3. Okay, next, twice the number less 2. And how are we going to answer that one? Twice the number less 2. So, if we are going to translate twice, that is 2. The number, we don't know that number, so we may write x or a, b, c, d, e, depending on you. But on the instruction that I have last meeting, if it is an unknown or the number, we will use x. Less is minus 2. So, therefore, we are going to write it less way. Oops, sorry. So, twice the number x less 2. So that is now 2x minus 2. Next, square of thrice the number. Ulitin ko, square of thrice the number. In this case, ano daw yung i-square natin? Yung thrice the number. So thrice the number, thrice is, this one is 3. The number is x. And square is raised to the power of 2. Okay. So, ano daw yung square natin? Yung thrice the number. So, yung 3x is square daw natin. So, ito daw, itong 3x daw is square natin. Kaya, raised to the power of 2. Okay, 3x raised to the power of 2. It's not 3x2, but 3a raised to the power of 2. Okay, 15 decreased by a number. Decreased is minus, by a number is x. So, the word is by a number. Okay? So, that is, by a number is minus mo lang siya ng x. So, 15 decrease by a number. 15 minus x. Okay? So, that's another 2 points. A number less than 3. A number, this one, is x less than minus 23. So, x minus 23. Next, a number greater than 12. When the word used here is greater than, and we are going to write it backwards. So, a number greater than 12. So, that is 12. Greater than is plus. A number is x. So, we are going to write it backwards. 12 plus x. Okay? Next, 5 years ago. Okay, class, meron ata tayong mali dito sa number 5, because the word used here is less than. So, we are going to write it backwards. So, mali po ito. 23 minus x. I'm sorry for that. Next, 5 years ago. So, we don't know that number kung ano yung 5 years ago na yan. So, we might write it x. We don't know kung 1954 ba yan siya, kung 2005 ba yan siya, 2010 ba yan siya. Basta 5 years ago. So, bawasan daw yun siya ng 5. So, x minus 5. Next, 10 years from now. We don't know that number, kung 2005 ba yan siya, kung anong taon ba yan siya. So we write X. And 10 years from now, ibig sabihin mag-add ka ng 10. X plus 10. Next, 7 more than 5 times a number or 5 times a number increased by 7. Okay. Focus tayo dito sa sa first. 7 more than 5 times a number. Okay? X ang number, 7 more than plus 5 times a number. So, we are going to write it backwards because it uses the word more than. So, ang answer dito is 5x plus 7. Now, take note, or ang ginamit dito, ibig sabihin, you may also use this one, this statement. But then, we are just going to use the first one because they are just the same. Number 10, the product of two consecutive number or 7 more than 5 times a number. Okay, number 10, the product of two consecutive number. The product is times, allow me to use asterisk for times, of two consecutive number. Okay, ibig sabihin ng burahin ko muna itong 2. Ibig sabihin ng two consecutive number, magkasunod daw na number. Ano yung mga magkasunod na number na yan? So, since we don't know that number, X lang siya. Now, anong kasunod ng X? Of course, mag-add ka ng isa para magkasunod sila. So, X plus 1. So, therefore, the product of two consecutive number or 7 more than 5 times a number. Parang mali itong second statement. Yeah, mali itong second statement. Do not use this one. Okay, bonus na lang ito dito sa number 10. So, the product of two consecutive number, the answer here is X times X plus 1. Okay? So, ano tong X plus 1? Consecutive number yan siya. Kasi tingnan nyo, 1, anong kasunod ng 1, di ba? 2? So, mag-add ka ng 1, kaya plus 1. We don't know that number, kaya X siya. So, kung mag-add tayo ng 1, consecutive na siya. Ibig sabihin kasi ng consecutive magkasunod. Gets nyo? 1 plus 1 magiging 2, 2 plus 1 magiging 3, 3 plus 1 magiging 4. So, consecutive numbers yun siya. In this case, we don't know that number. So, pinangalan natin siyang X. Okay? So, since mali po dito sa number 10, tong 7 more than 5 times a number, nag-doble-doble siya, we will declare it as bonus or 2 points on this matter. Okay? So, that is now the answer for number 1, X plus 3. Number 2, twice the number x, 2x minus 2. Number 3, 3x, quantity 3x squared. Number 4, 15 minus x. Number 5, 23 minus x. Number 6, 12 plus x. Number 7, x minus 5. Number 8, x plus 10. Number 9, 5x plus 7. Number 10, bonus. And the answer is x times the quantity x plus 1. Okay? So, let's proceed now to the next part of our lesson. So that's quiz number 5. Please add your all scores. The total score for this di ko pa nabigay. The total score is, please write the code quiz number 5. That is 20 over 20. Okay, so let's have now the next part of our lesson. Okay, in this case, I would like you to get your notebook and copy the following. What if we are going to baliktad or we are going to reverse or do the vice versa of translating mathematical sentences into verbal sentences. For example, the given is x plus 5. So, we all know that plus is sum, x is a number, 5 and 4 are number 5 and 4, and equals is. So, therefore, we could use the sum of a number 5 and 4. Next, 2x minus 1 equals 1. Twice, the number x or the number lang decreased by 1 is equal to 1. Ganun lang po. 7 added by x is equal, or 7 added by a number is equal to twice the number increased by 3. In this case, example number 4, 3x greater than 15, thrice a number x is greater than 15. Next, the last one, we know that how do we know if yung ginamit na greater than is minus or yung gumamit siya ng symbol na like this. Okay, it depends. Okay, in this case, ginamit niya greater than siguro dahil girule niya dito na ang greater than the word is greater than or less than ang symbol. But in our case, a while ago, in our example yesterday, we will be using minus and plus for greater than and less than. Okay? So, that's an example of the mathematical sentence and verbal sentences. Okay, so screenshot na lang muna para mabilis ang lesson. Now, for our quiz number, no, this is quiz number 6. Allow me to edit for a while. Okay, for our quiz number 6, I would like you to answer the following by matching column A to column B. Choose the letter of the correct answer from column B and match it with column A. So just write the answer on numbers 1 to 14. Now, you don't need to copy the column B, you just need to copy column A and the answer. Okay, for example, your answer here is letter M. So, may M pala dyan. Letter Z na lang. Letter Z. Your answer is letter Z. So, you write the answer in letter Z, which is 2x plus 1. Ganyan. 2x plus 1. So, you are going to write also the answer on this side. Okay, ganun po pagsagot. So, I'll be giving you 30 minutes for this and you will submit this one in our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/humang2021. Okay, goodbye everyone. That's all. Thank you and God bless.